Hey everybody, welcome back to Peak State Mathematics. We're going to turn up the speakers, get the energy flowing so we can learn in peak state. Let's go! And welcome back to Peak State Mathematics. We're going to take a look at the difference of squares today. We're going to be able to use some of the same strategies to actually factor these because realistically, especially with this example, our b term is just 0. So like what's going to multiply to that negative 64 but add to 0. But in this case, we're going to also teach you a shortcut. But it only works if it's in this form, a squared minus b squared, which means the first two terms, in fact, really these only two terms here, are perfect squares and they're being subtracted from each other. Now, if that's the case, here's your trick. A squared minus b squared is going to equal a plus b times the quantity of a minus b. So in this case, our a squared is x squared, our b squared is 64. If we took the square root of both sides, we'd see that our a value is x, our b value is 8. So we can factor this then as x squared minus 64 equals our x plus 8 and x minus 8. All right, so that's kind of what the trick tells us. Let's go use our same strategies, our old school kind of factoring tricks and tactics, and we'll prove that this is going to hold true. So our a is 1, our b is 0, our c is negative 64. So our AC value is negative 64. Obviously 8 and negative 8 are the ones we want to multiply to the AC but add to b. So when we split apart the b term, we can factor it by parts. Out the front there, we'll pull out the x. Out the back, we can pull out the negative 8. And sure enough, we see that we get 8, or x plus 8 and x minus 8. All right, so those match up for you. Exact same, either direction, just sometimes that difference of squares will be much faster. So go ahead and practice a couple on your own and get back into peak state. Here we go. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching this video lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something. Please hit subscribe so you have access to all of our video lessons. And if you want live, free tutoring with me every single Monday, check out peakstatemathematics.com and sign up for that. Until next time, remember, always learn in a peak state.